From UL to automation. Top data science trends for 2025. 1. Innovation via UL in data science. UL is already spearheading a revolution in data science, and by 2025, it will probably be more than household ownership. According to a report compiled by PwC, 45% of all jobs could be automated by the time we reach 2025 due to UL in data science, and data scientists will further lean on UL tools for routine tasks such as data cleaning and model selection. In the future of data science, machine learning models will be made accessible, allowing even small businesses to use sophisticated UL with their respective data analysis demands. 2. The dawn of automated machine learning. The way data scientists do their work will be future AutoML tools in 2025, as the entire industry and all other parameters will increase by including the shape of automation in machine learning model construction. Therefore, AutoML is the hottest cake for all corporates who want data-driven decision-making about their business without forming a battery of specialized experts. According to McKinsey, the consensus regarding the increasing propensity for AutoML usage over the years is that its use will grow by 50% in the future. As per some data science predictions 2025, more companies are expected to increasingly adopt AutoML in developing machine learning models, thus enabling them to act quickly with decisions for better customer experiences. These platforms would be considerably less daunting for non-technical professionals to use machine learning. 3. Data privacy and ethics. Above all, great questions like privacy or security will also come with increasing concern for the former and ethical considerations in the fledgling data science area. The likes of GDPR and CCPA are just opening treaties or regulations. Those data scientists must ensure that UL and machine learning algorithms comply with such standards since they will expand and change in time. Last year, an Accenture survey found that 70% of consumers wanted to know how companies use their data. Thus, data scientists will have to find more transparent and accountable models. 4. Sophisticated data visualization tools. Data visualization would go far beyond tables and graphs by 2025. The demand for such great things in visualization would be more immersive and interactive than the simple, symbolic rendering of complex data shapes by which people could interactively engage such data with their exploration. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality will become concepts that mainstream data scientists will use to investigate huge datasets in 3D. The data science landscape promises unprecedented growth in 2025, driven by the convergence of UL, automation, data privacy, and advanced visualization technologies. Professionals who stay ahead of the curve and adapt to these evolving trends will be uniquely positioned to thrive in this dynamic environment. With its vast potential to transform industries and revolutionize decision-making, the future of data science has never been brighter. It's quite clear that the possibilities for data science in 2025 and beyond are limitless.